Alright, so we're ready to depart. We have gone through our checklists and we have prepped our crew to be ready to leave the dock. What I want to talk about is the paddle shifters for the helm station. There's a real concern that we want to make sure that these don't get stressed in any way. It's imperative that they are treated kindly. So what I want to do is show you exactly how much play there should be. We've got the boat fully secured to the dock right now with forward and aft spring lines. So I'm going to actually put the boat into gear, forward and reverse, so you can see. The most important thing we want to make sure is when you're shifting into gear is that the boat is at the lowest RPMs, and that means that the fuel paddle, which my finger is pointing at, is full straight up and down. And you can pull it back towards you. It can't go any farther, and you can always look at your RPMs readings on the instrument panel down below, and it should be about 800 RPMs. When we are in gear, it's in neutral, it's going to be straight up and down. And when I want to go into reverse to leave the dock, I'm going to pull it back. It's going to go about this far and no farther. That's as far as it should go. The boat should be in gear.
So that's about 30 degrees, right?
About 30 degrees. And what we want to do is, I don't really want to rev the engine and start backing out super fast. We want to make sure the boat's moving back in a controlled fashion. Your crew can help maneuver the boat out of the slip. And the boat will also walk to port. Please keep that in mind. So it's going to want to turn into the channel as we move in reverse. We never want to go from reverse to forward. We want to go from reverse to neutral, that neutral position, and then we can move it back into forward, and it's going to be about 30 degrees in the forward position once we start maneuvering the boat into forward. And then, if we need to, go back into neutral. Again, always in the low RPMs. Obviously, you can rev up as you move into the channel. But if you decide that you need to go into neutral, we want to reduce those RPMs again. Don't try and take it out of drive at a high RPMs and slam it back into neutral if you feel like you need to. Bring the RPMs back down first before you shift it into that neutral position.